For today's flower piping tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make these easy buttercream camellias. To begin, attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. For this tutorial, I will be using a number 104 petal piping tip and beginning with a white buttercream. So with the wide end of your tip touching the flower nail slightly off center, we will begin piping our petals. You want to hold your tip at about a 30-degree angle, apply pressure, and turn the flower nail to form each petal. You will notice here that I am tucking the tip behind the previous petal, and that is going to give this first row a nice full look with overlapping petals. As always, all of this information is also down in the description box below, along with the buttercream recipe, so make sure that you check that out as well. As we come in to pipe our second layer of petals, we will increase the angle of our tip slightly to about a 45-degree angle. And again, with the wide end touching the base of the flower nail, we will apply pressure and spin the flower nail to form each petal, ensuring that we tuck the tip behind so that we get that nice overlap and a nice full-looking flower. I really love the 3D look that the camellia gives us. Now we're going to switch to a number 3 round tip and a medium consistency yellow buttercream. And I'm just going to fill in the gap in the center with some buttercream first. If you don't have a number 3 tip, any small round tip would work to fill in the center of the flower. So now I'm just going to come in and I'm going to pipe little dots until I have completely covered that buttercream that I piped in the center. If you have any questions or comments or anything, let me know down below. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, as always, I would appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. I'll have a new piping tutorial for you next week. And in the meantime, I'm going to link a couple more fun piping tutorials in case you want to check those out. Thanks for watching.